In this case brief, I have Gebser versus Lago Vista. Alita Star Gebser, a high school student in Lago Vista Independent School District, had a secret sexual affair with one of her teachers. At the time, Lago Vista had no official procedure for reporting sexual harassment nor any formal anti-harassment policy, as required by federal law. One day after the two were discovered having sex, the teacher was arrested and fired, claiming she was harassed in violation of Title IX and the Education Amendment of 1972, providing that no person or subjected to discrimination under any federal-funded education program or activity. Gebser sought damages against Lago Vista on appeal from a decision affirming the district's court ruling in favor of Lago Vista. Some of the questions in this case was, can a federal-funded education program or activity be required under Title IX of an Education Amendments of 1972 to pay sexual harassment damages to a student who was involved in a secret relationship with a member of its staff? Some of the holdings that were found in this case: in a 5-4 decision, the court held that two minimal criteria must be met in order for an aggregative party to recover sexual harassment damages under the amendments. First, the party must show that the school district officials with the ability to institute corrective measures knew of the forbidden conduct. Second, a showing must be made that despite having knowledge of the forbidden conduct, the education establishment failed to respond in a proper manner. The court concluded that Lago Vista never showed indifference to Gebser's relationship, since it never knew, either formal or informal, of his existence. According to Lago Vista, was not liable for sexual harassment damages. And last, in the legal rationale in this case, the court also held that Title IX is contractual in nature, with Congress awarding federal funding conditioned on the receipt's compliance with federal non-discrimination law. When Congress does not explicitly provide a private course of action, a court reasoned Congress' duty was to reconcile its judicial power in granting all appropriate relief with congressional purpose. The court was of the opinion that the Congress did not intend to grant monetary damages to private parties when funding recipients are unaware of discrimination, which was the case in Gebser. Furthermore, the court held that the school board failed to develop an anti-harassment policy or a grievance procedure, did not constitute actual notice or deliberate indifference. On the basis of those findings, the Supreme Court ruled that the school board was not liable for damages under Title IX. The Fifth Circuit decision was upheld.